Good day, my name is Carmen Rus and I'm a local guide from Slovenia. Here we are standing on the banks of the river called Tržiška Bistrica. Bistrica actually means the clear water, clear river. And this Tržiška Bistrica is a relatively small river, only 37 kilometers long, coming out at the Alps of Slovenia called Karavanke and flowing after 27 kilometers this direction into the longest river Slovenia. It's called Sava, and Sava is at the same time also the longest river of the Balkans. Today you can hear the birds. It's a very beautiful spring day. We just had a lot of the rain, so that's why the flow of the river is quite nice, and you can see the beautiful sound of the river. The river itself in the old times was very important also for the transporting of the timber, and it was also the way to produce the electricity for the small factories in the nearby city called Tržič. The name Tržiška Bistrica actually means River Bistrica from Tržič, and in the old times Tržič was very known for the shoe production. A very famous factory called Peko was situated in Tržič, so a long traditions of the shoemaker industry that we have here. And as I also said, the timber, the transportation of the timber, because this area is surrounded by the woods, and the cheapest and fastest way to transport the woods was via the river. So that was a very short video clip for me. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.